Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about QR code. What is QR code and how it will works. Guys, QR code is a quick response code. Is popular type of two-dimensional barcode. It encodes alphanumerical information. To decode this, you can either use a handheld scanner or even a QR code scanning application on your smartphone. It is developed in 1994 in Japan company Denso Wave Corporation. Their role was tracking vehicle and high-speed component scanning in automobile industry. Let's see about the how the QR codes working. Think of a QR code as a language. Humans can't read this language, but mobile devices and scanners can. Just as the English language has rules on how to form a sentence, a QR code is also made up of elements. QR code are made up of a data modules. A module is the fundamental unit of a QR code. They are the black and white blocks that make up data encoded in QR code. Modules store data and make up the rows and columns of the QR code. Positioning of the data bits begins from the bottom right of the corner of a matrix. It moves upward in a two module wide column and switches direction on reaching the top. Number of rows and columns of modules determined by version number. A QR code has equal number of rows and columns modules that is in square shaped, but QR code cannot have any number of rows. The number of rows depend upon the version of QR code. For example, the version 1 have 21 rows and 21 columns of modules. The version 2 have 25 rows and 25 columns. The version number ranges between 1 and 40. Highest the version number, highest the number of rows and columns. Thus, higher is the storage capacity. Data here the data how can be they encoded means they can be encoded in four character modes, that is numerical, alphanumerical, and binary and kanji. Okay guys, today this is we have learned about the QR code and what is QR code and how it works. Okay guys, hope you like this video. Please share this video and please subscribe this channel and please give a thumbs up.